This is 4-3, just the proof. We're going to prove that triangle AEB is congruent to triangle DEC. This is also in your book in chapter 4-3. Please make sure that you copy the drawing. Again, it is in your book. And we're trying to show that these two triangles, AEB and triangle DEC, are congruent. First of all, we start with the proof. Number one, we think about what are we being asked to prove. We're asked to prove that these two triangles are congruent, AEB and triangle DEC. And looking at that, remember when we do a proof, we think about next, what do we ask to prove? Which is given. The picture's drawn, number one, the picture's drawn. Okay, number two is what we have to prove, which is triangle AEB is congruent to DEC. And we think about what can we use to prove that. Well, when I look at this triangle, what do I see? I'm looking here and I see, oh, a side, oh, these two angles here, and then a side. It looks like side angle, side to me, because when I look at that, these two angles, 1 and 2, look like they're congruent by vertical angles. Well, I see that side AE is congruent to DE. Although it's not written in word form, it is drawn pictorially, so I can say that AE is congruent to DE, and I can also say BE is congruent to CE, because that's given in the drawing. Number two, what else do I see? I see angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 by vertical angles. So far I've proven or shown that two sides are congruent, a side and a side, and now I'm just proving that an angle, and it looks like it goes side, then this interior angle here, and this interior angle by vertical. And then I know, because that triangle AEB is congruent to triangle DEC by SAS, or side angle side congruence postulate.